Hello students, let us continue lesson number 2 and the name of the lesson is Motions of the Earth and the topic is Season. The Earth rotates on its axis in the same direction while revolving around the Sun on its orbit. Due to this, the North Pole faces the Sun at regular intervals. The rays of the sun fall vertically either on north or south of the equator. This causes variation in the length of days and night. Those parts of the earth which receives more sunlight experience summer, while those that receives less sunlight experiences winter. The northern hemisphere experience summer in the period between 21st March to 21st September, while it is winter in the southern hemisphere during that period. The change of season is a phenomenon that directly affects human life. Now student, on page number 11, 2.8 picture, you can see revolution of the earth. In the diagram, you can see that 21st June is the longest day and 22nd December is the shortest day. And in the month of March, equal day and night, and in September, equal day and night. So please go through this diagram. Then, list of some festivals and the season of the celebration is given below. When we celebrate a particular festival here, name the season experience at that same time in a different country. Find out and complete the table. So, festival and seasons of India is given. First is Holi, comes in summer. Diwali comes in winter. Christmas comes in winter. Now, seasons in other countries. So, Kenya, season will be summer. Japan, season will be winter. USA, season will be winter. Australia, season will be winter. Canada, season will be winter. China, season will be winter. Now student, on page number 11, 2.9 picture, you can see the sun at midnight in Norway. This photographs has been taken at different times of the day. So student, please see this picture which is taken, and this photograph has been taken at different times of the day. So you can see the location of the sun in this picture. So please go through this picture, sun at midnight. In the Europe, nations of Norway, the sun does not set from mid-May to the end of July. This means that sunrises and sunsets are simultaneously, so the sun is seen even at midnight. Now, things to know for you: Uttarayan or Makar Sankranti. The vertical rays of the sun starts falling to the north of the equator from 22nd December onwards. So, Uttarayan actually falls on 22nd December and not on 14th January. Usually, the sun enters the zodiac sign of Capricorn on 14th January, and so it is called Makar Sankranti. Solstice From 22nd June onwards, the vertical rays of the sun start moving from the Tropic of Cancer towards the south of equator. This is known as solstice. Then circle of illumination, that is Prakash Vartul. The line that separates the lighted from the darker half of the earth and joins the two poles is called the circle of illumination. Then revolution. This is the earth's orbit around the sun. One complete revolution takes about 365 1/4 days. Celsius. Celsius is a unit of measurement of temperature. It is named after the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius, year 1701 to 1744. Now student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.